Everyone has been bugging me to upload. I don't know. Well, I do know what to upload about, but I just haven't. Sorry. Not that any of you cared. But anyway, sorry if I start dying in the middle of this. In the middle of the video, because I probably need to get water. No, I'm not sick. Anyway. I'm good. We're good. How was your weekend? Yeah, let's do that. How was your weekend? I hope you had a really, really good weekend. I hope you had a great week on top of that. I mean, yeah. It's been not a long week, but it's definitely been a weekend and a week. I'm not gonna lie. So, I wasn't personally me as productive as I would have liked to have been. Could have 100% been more productive, but I mean, you live and you learn. You take it one day at a time. Anyway, actually getting into it, I went on a little shopping spree. Spent a few grand. About to go on another shopping spree later, and yeah. Anyway, don't get mad at me. Shoot, it's Black Friday. Making the most of it. Anyway, let's get into this. But apart from that, I mean, I guess it's nice to take your mind off of things, right? I mean, it takes your mind off of everything. You just go live life. And then you come back and then you have to deal with all your problems. I mean, that's how it goes, right? That's how it goes. I'm good. One second. I'm good. I'm not sick. You're sick. I'm sick of your BS. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to retwist my hair, by the way. Anyway, let's get into it. That was 2 minutes of stalling and delaying. Yeah, let's go. Let me move that there. This is Discord, by the way. If you want to join, link in description. Or don't join, I don't care. Now let's see how difficult it is to make a YouTube video while you're coughing. Okay. Anyway, getting straight into it. Weekly, last week, what happened? Well, came back down for a retracement, filled this fair value gap, pushing price back to the upside. Let's do this. That is a lot better. Wow. Price came back in, filled this fair value gap, pushing price back to the upside. Bam, right there, bam. We're also probably gonna do NAS, S&P, and actually I lied. I want to do GJ, S&P, or NAS. Both of them are the same, and then gold. That's what I'm gonna do my technical analysis on this video. If I can stop coughing, dang. So, price came back, retracing to the fair value gap, pushing price back to the upside. Broke structure on daily here, and now we're making a push further up. Something I did want to see was a daily retracement for this fair value gap, which we did get, and I mean daily candle closes in 17 hours, but if this candle continues bullish, then that retracement would have been valid, continuing to push price to the upside, meaning Monday we could see a potential bullish move to take some buy positions. Deep breath, Lonnie. I'm like, take some potential buy positions. Yeah, really, if I'm being completely honest, broke structure to the upside, 100% gonna make a move bullish this week. I'm the only one who records a YouTube video sick, of course. And then on top of that, if you go down to even a smaller time frame, we had a retracement for this 4-hour fair value gap, which is what I wanted to see on Thursday, going into Friday, because Friday we had no news, but we never got that. So, I knew got that fair value gap retracement. Price actually just broke structure back to the upside right here. Bam, look at that tiny dot. Broke structure back to the upside, so hopefully we can continue seeing a more bullish push, maybe through London session. And then New York Open, we'll see how that goes too. So, but overall bullish bias, 100%. Following in time frames with weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour. Nothing too crazy. I wish I could say something more interesting. That's the truth of it. Price broke structure, sorry, plotted incorrectly. Price broke structure right here, and so continuing to the upside. Also, for anyone still watching, I'd be surprised if someone was. Let me know if what you guys want to see. I'm thinking of dabbling into some psychology stuff, but I mean, I'm just not sure yet. Unless some of you guys need help with the technical analysis, then we could go and do that. But yeah, if you need my help too, or just help in general, feel free to join the Discord. We have the best mods. Anywho, that's gold. Gold overall bullish. I mean, I don't really need to say more. It's really just showcasing by itself. We're going to go. Let's go to NASDAQ. And we'll do the same on S&P because I know some of you, oh, NASDAQ mirrors S&P, but like I like trading S&P or NASDAQ more because I'm a geek. I'm joking. I love S&P and NASDAQ. I used to be a NASDAQ killer. You wouldn't believe it. Them trendline breakouts, whew, they went crazy. Crazy. Anywho, bam. Look at daily time. Well, let's look at weekly time frame. What happened? Well, bullish. Overall broke structure here, pushing price to the upside. I did say that last week actually, with the price breaking structure here and here, we'd continue bullish. My bias has been right because it's always right when I don't overthink it. If price does plan to make a retracement, it most likely would make a retracement into this weekly fair value gap. Okay, really? Jet can't even record a video. Alright. Which would be around a 2% drop before chopping, filling more orders, pushing price back to the upside, which could be a could be a possibility. Am I saying that'll happen? No. Shoot, I don't know. Why? Because weekly just broke structure up here. Yeah, it just broke structure up here as well. So take that information how you please. Bam, those are break a structure here. Bam, bam, bam. Right. So going on daily, also have a massive imbalance here. It looks like to me, if I had to picture what NAS or S&P would do, I have a feeling we would come down, fill more orders, then break daily structure, pushing price back to the upside, or even within this candle, push higher and break structure to the upside. But just overall be bullish. Unless price plans on breaking daily structure, pushing to the downside in order to come down, fill more orders. Kind of something like this. Bam, 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 bam. Like the chop it is right now. Bam, break structure. Bam, bam, fill more orders here. Pushing price back to the upside, right? So that could be there's two possibilities to this. Just really depends how New York Stock Exchange wants to open Monday and how news affects market this week. Well, even if news did affect the market, it wouldn't affect the technical analysis part because price would still follow trend. So yeah. Anyway, bullish on NAS as well, and then we will do GBPJPY. Let's do GJ for the last one, and then we'll call it 8 minutes. How long has it been? 8 minutes, Steve? We're under schedule. Usually these are like 50 hours. These are quick. Anywho, bam. GJ, what do we do? Weekly. Wow. Okay. Weekly broke structure to the upside. That's easy. Bam. Broke structure here. Bullish, obviously. If GJ plans on making a retracement, say I held that coffin for a minute, would probably make a retracement for this weekly fair value gap. That would be around, yeah, that could be a possible retracement before GJ continues pushing to the upside. I can see that 100%. Unless GJ just wants to be annoying and just go lower than that. Shoot, who knows? I don't know. I don't trade GJ. But, anywho, it could 100% be a possibility if price breaks structure here and then closes below the fair value gap, daily one invalidating it, then 100% GJ can make a pushback down. And if it doesn't and rejects pushback, we can also expect a pushback to the upside. But I mean, apart from that, right now, if I had to be honest, with how GJ is looking right now, I would personally, if I'm going 4 hour, a 4-hour break structure right here to the downside, we could continue to see that move back down, filling the fair value gap, pushing price higher. I know I'm talking fast. Boo-hoo. But apart from that, I mean, price action's moving very smoothly. I can't even lie. Wow, this is beautiful price action. Price came up, filled this fair value gap, pushing price to the downside again. So, I mean, it's 100% a possibility. But we'll see how the week plays out. Let's go on Forex Factory because it's ritual. So, overall, bearish for GJ on the day. Possibly bearish for NAS and then bullish for gold. Let's go bam, bam, bam. Let's look at this week, our highest probability days. Monday, 100%. Tuesday, we're going to go to the BMW dealership and we're going to go on a shopping spree. Going to see if I should get an M3 comp or i8 Roadster. Don't hate me for that. Don't hate me for that. I'm being serious. Don't hate me for that. Or Hellcat Red Eye SRT wide body. You feel me? Okay. Unemployment claims on Wednesday and reverse UOM consumer sentiment. Doesn't really mess up gold, so may take a look on Wednesday to see if there is a setup with that, but still going to be selective with our trades. I mean, apart from that, not trading Friday. Thursday, go spend time with your family, loved ones, and apart from that, really our highest probability execution days are Monday and Wednesday. So Monday, looking to take a position if price follows our understanding of bias, and Wednesday, same thing. We'll see how everything plays out, how price chops and plays. But apart from that, that's really everything. So I mean, the video's 11 minutes. Might as well make it one more minute, but I'll leave you guys with let's do like a little motivational quote. I don't know. I sit there sometimes. I just start thinking, I was talking to someone in my Discord. I'm not gonna name names, but he told me something. He was like, Lonnie, what do you think I should do? I have people in my life telling me that I'm almost a loser in a sense. That I'm trying to pursue trading and really, really, really give this my all. And they gossip about him and they say things, and I told him very, very, very plainly, you cannot care about what other people think. You have to get that out of your head. You have to. And you cannot allow anyone to take away your dreams and what you want to accomplish. Because at the end of the day, if you allow their opinions to dictate how you live, whether it's a good opinion or a bad opinion, take it into both contexts. If you believe when they say, oh, you're on top of the world, you'll believe when they say you ain't nothing, So whether it's a compliment or not, thank you very much, but I'm going to continue doing me. I'm going to continue improving myself, and I believe everyone should have that same mindset in the sense of, okay, whether it's a compliment or not, cool, thank you, but you know what, I'm going to continue doing me because I know what I need to do in order to become the version of myself that I'm proud of, But who cares what other people think at the end of the day? If you want to truly pursue something, go pursue it. If you need to find a balance with your life, find a balance. Everyone says, you can't have balance. You gotta be a psychopath. And yeah, you do. To a sense, give it your all. But you start to get to a point to where now you can have balance. In the beginning, I had no balance. But now I'm trying to find balance with my relationships with people, with being able to, continue to improve and succeed in my trading, and make a bunch of finances, and just overall enjoy life. And at the end of the day, that's what it's about, right? Serving God and enjoying life. So let's look to do those things. So apart from that, that was my little word. Go out, kill the market. I love you guys. I believe in you. If no one's told you yet, I'm proud of you. You're doing amazing. Don't quit. Keep going. Don't stop believing in yourself. Never do. Never, ever, ever do. I promise, you keep your head down. You focus on what you want to do, what you need to do. You will get everything you desire. I love you, and I'll see you at the top. I'll see you in a minute.